In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom surveys in GoHighLevel. We'll start right inside your GoHighLevel account. Once you're logged in, head over to your main Launchpad area. This is the central hub where you access all the tools in your location. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account before you continue, so the survey is created in the right place. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This is where GoHighLevel groups everything related to your web presence, like funnels, websites, forms, and of course, surveys. Give it a second to load if your account has a lot of assets. Inside the Sites section, find and click on Surveys. This will open the Survey Builder area where you can see any existing surveys you've created, as well as the controls to build new ones. To create a fresh survey from scratch, click on Create New. At this point, GoHighLevel will open the Survey Builder interface. You may be prompted to give your survey a name. If so, choose something descriptive that helps you recognize it later, like Client Onboarding Survey or Post-Appointment Feedback. Now you'll see a list or panel of elements you can add to your survey. These are your building blocks, such as text fields, multiple choice questions, checkboxes, rating scales, and more. Click on the first element you'd like to add. For example, you might start with a basic text input for the person's name or email, or a simple question with a short answer. Next, click on another element you'd like to add. Think about the flow of your survey. Maybe a multiple choice question to quickly segment responses, or a drop-down to keep the layout compact. Continue adding more elements one by one. Each time you click an element, it drops it onto your survey canvas. You might add a rating scale to measure satisfaction, a long text area for open feedback, or yes, no buttons for quick decisions. The idea is to build a logical sequence that guides your respondents smoothly from start to finish. Once you've added your questions, click directly on the elements on the survey page. This lets you drag to change their order and click into each one to customize details like the question text, placeholder labels, required fields, and any helper descriptions to make the questions clearer. When you're happy with the layout and wording, click on Preview to see exactly how the survey will look to your respondents. If everything looks good, make sure to save your work. After saving, your custom survey is ready to be embedded, shared, or connected into your GoHighLevel workflows.